I'm Jasmine Singh. I'm one of the co-founders of Gallops. It's been 37 years and it's been quite a journey and a wonderful one. When we got the place was not the way it is today. We've done it up completely. We've changed it completely. When we had it, it was like a little shack. All the walls were not there. We've made it in these last few years. M.F. Hussain used to love our place. So he used to regularly come here, sit in the afternoons, paint on my napkins, paint on my tablecloths. So right in the beginning, we had a small little menu. We had Indian food and continental food, which was small. Over the years, it kept on improvising and just became bigger and bigger. We do nali nihari, we do a yakhni pulao, then we do a very good patthar kebab. These are our dishes. At Gallops, things change with the seasons. In the winters, our lawns are completely open with chandeliers and crystals all hanging from the trees. In the summer and the monsoon, we have the cabanas.
Hi, I'm Mikhail Singh. I'm the second generation partner at Gallops. Bar menu at Gallops is very concise and also we do a lot of different stuff. We do a Negroni, but it's a smoked whiskey Negroni. So we do a different version of a guava drink. Yeah, and we have a very good elderflower drink also. Gallops for our customers is home for them. We do a lot of weddings. We cater to many people individually also, depending on their needs.
Hi, I'm Yajush Malik, chef and partner at Gallops. So Gallops is one of the only restaurants in Bombay that still serves classic continental food from way back in the 80s and 70s. Dishes like an ala keev, I think there are only 2 restaurants in the whole city that make it, one of them being us. Gallops has been known for its quality, value for money, and consistency.